Welcome to Ojii's Origami. This video will be for the beginner, and today we're making a what's called a Sanbo box. Sanbo box. That's a Japanese word. It's actually a stand used in Japan for ceremonial offerings. So it's a very, very pretty little stand. I'm going to start with the colored side of the paper facing down, the white side up. And I'm going to fold corner to corner and open up. And then I'm going to do the other corner to corner and open up. So you have a nice X pattern of folds on your paper. And then you're going to fold each one of these four corners into the center. Nice sharp crease. So with all four corners, hopefully you haven't got the paper edges overlapping like that. Okay, it's all right to have a little space like that. Try not to overlap your paper. Once that is done, turn your paper over and fold it in half this way. Okay, both sides are going to look exactly the same. And then fold it in half again this way. All right, so we're just going to follow this line, just like that. Making sure you got nice creases. Okay, the next step, what you're going to be doing is the best way to do it, I'm going to show, I'll point the paper this way. In here, separate that opening. Stand your paper straight up like this. And as you open this up, bring this point down to meet this point. Just like that. See that? Once the points meet, hold it in place and then crease. Okay, did you understand that? I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, so at this point I'm going to stand it straight up, just like that. You're going to open up the center of the paper, like that. Kind of put your figure right in there, right? And as this starts to come down, just bring it so the points meet. When the points meet, then you're going to crease it. Just like that. Okay, so it looks like this right now. The next step, where there's an opening here, sort of slide your finger in, right, to make the opening wider, like that. And same on this side. Kind of open up the paper. That, slide your finger in. So now the paper is opening up like this. See that? Now as you open up, this point is going to fall down and meet this point. And as it goes down like this, use a finger or pencil just to make sure that these points right here fold out real nice. Just like that. Now see how this point here is kind of squashed? Just get a, if you have small enough fingers, you can stick them in, or a pencil. There, now you have a nice square pointed corner. Same on this side. And once your corners are right, and then crease it. Turn it over and do the same thing. There's the opening. Lift it up. Same on this side. There's that opening. Lift it up. Nice corners on this side. Nice corner on this side. And then crease. So now it looks like this. So there's one flap right here. See that? Lift it up and turn it over, right over to the other side. Lift this flap up, right? And turn it over. Turn your paper over and do the same thing. See this one top flap, just a top flap. Lift it up and push it right over. I'm going to turn my paper this way. This bottom edge right here is going to be folded up to meet this line. And a nice sharp crease. And this top edge is going to be folded down to meet this line. So it looks like that. Okay? See that? Turn it over and do the same thing. Bottom edge comes up to meet this middle line. Top edge folds down to meet the middle line. Now make nice sharp tight creases because we're almost ready to open it up and we don't want it to fall apart. I'm actually going to turn my paper over and crease it there too. Okay. And now this top flap, see there are two flaps, right? 1 and 2. Just the top flap folded over all the way down. Like so. Turn your paper over, do the same thing. This flap comes down. You're basically, there's a line right here. That's the hinge point. You're folding it down on that line. A nice tight crease. And then slowly open it up. And with your fingers inside, try to make the bottom of the Sanbo box nice and flat. There you go. Just like that. Okay. These flaps here are pulled up so they're nice and flat. Like that. Your bottom is nice there, and the bottom on the bottom is nice and flat. And that's your Sanbo box. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Ojii's Origami. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.